Hey, what's up guys? John here. Bill Gates just invested into this company, a very large position, over $230 million worth of this stock, as well as he's liquidated positions in Apple, Amazon, and Twitter. These companies are America's tech giants. Amazon is how we get food and produce and necessities to our house for the most part. Apple is how we really take in information and communicate with one another, and Twitter is a way that people really just share information. These companies are huge and they've done extremely well over the last several years. But why would Bill Gates liquidate his positions in these companies? Some could say it's because of his divorce. I think it's because he maybe believes that something could be coming to America that could really dampen this economy. He's invested in this new company called Coupang, which is a South Korean e-commerce company. Some say it's the Amazon of South Korea, where they can deliver produce, food, all necessities within a few hours. Now, if we step into an environment where we have another situation where we are closed, we can't go in and out and restaurants and stores are closed, these e-commerce companies are going to grow rapidly. Now, Bill Gates likely isn't the type of person to invest in a Dogecoin or one of these meme coins. And we've all seen people make an insane amount of money in a lot of these random meme coins. So with that being said, people are taking on risk, investing in things that maybe they don't understand or have little value. But this company, I think, could be something very big. And I've invested in this company myself after having done research. So that being said, please smash the like button. When you hit the like button, you're going to help expose, what is potentially a good investment. I think this could be something that could really pay big dividends over the coming 3 to 5 years. Maybe not in the short term, but the next 3 to 5 years, as this company expands, I think we're going to see a lot of appreciation in this stock. This is why I believe Bill Gates is investing in Coupang. This company, when you go to their website and you look at what they're doing, it's, I believe, something that is going to be a monopoly. I think they're going to really just dominate South Korea, and I think it's very likely that they continue to expand. They already are trying to expand into Singapore. They're trying to expand into Japan. If they break into these markets and start really taking over market share as they've done in South Korea, we're going to see this stock do really big things. Coupang is reimagining the commerce experience with the goal of wowing each customer from the instant they open the Coupang app to the moment an order arrives at their door. Powered by the dynamic end-to-end e-commerce and logistics network and a culture of customer centricity, Coupang has broken trade-offs around speed, selection, and price. Today, we provide exceedingly fast shipping speeds on millions of items, including fresh groceries delivered within hours nationwide every day of the year. We are doing this for millions of consumers in Korea. Korea is home to one of the largest and fastest growing e-commerce opportunities anywhere in the world. So you think about it, if we step into a situation where things start closing down again and you can have your groceries delivered to your house in hours, people are going to do that, most likely. People aren't going to want to take the risk. And right now, South Korea, if you look at their education, they are neck and neck with Singapore. These people are smart, they're diligent, they value their time. So if they can save an hour by going to the grocery store or going out to a small mom and pop business, and they can just order it from their smartphone and have it delivered at home, I believe that that is only going to continue to just pick up and pick up and pick up more steam. We strive for the best customer experience on earth. Coupang customers benefit from exceptionally better experience 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Same day deliveries, dawn delivery, Coupang Fresh, everything we do is built around the lives of our customers, and we work hard to ensure speed, convenience, choice, and value every day. Dawn delivery order millions of items at midnight, before midnight, arriving at 7 a.m. the next day. Like, how does small business compete with that level of really expectation? Customers are beginning to expect that. They're not going to go to small mom and pop business, pay more for a product or service, and then have to waste their time, effort, and energy to actually go buy that. Zero packaging. Get what you need without packaging. We've eliminated cardboard boxes in over 75% of parcels, many of which come in eco bags that we collect for reuse after each delivery. So this is also going to drive more attention to them because they're going after the environment agenda that's happening right now, where people are being much more aware of climate. Frictionless returns, no boxes, no labels, no postage, just a tap on the button, leave the item outside your door. You can't compete with that. And what they're doing that is also very intelligent right now is that they are paying their employees a great wage. It's mom and pop businesses. It's not like they don't want to pay their employees, $20 or $30 an hour. But at the same point, they have to make a return on the hire. Well, Walmart, McDonald's, Chipotle, Bank of America, they can all afford to pay $15, $18, $20, even $25 per hour with these employees because it is just so smart for them to do this, because what it does is it raises the standards of what people expect. They go to these corporations, mom and pop businesses have a hard time finding employees. Then ultimately their costs remain the same. They're making less money. Mom and pop businesses close. When they close, corporations begin assuming bigger market share. And at that point in time, they can begin increasing their prices. And there's nothing that anyone can do about it because there's nowhere else to shop. And that's what we're stepping into. We're stepping into a world where that is very likely to happen. So I think that this company, Coupang, offers a very big opportunity in the coming 5 years. This isn't going to be something that you're going to be able to day trade, but this could be something that if you bought a good position now, in 5 years or 10 years, you could look at your portfolio and be in shock. Gates Foundation buys 5,714,285 shares of Coupang. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has opened a new position in Coupang. According to their latest 13F filing, buy prices range from $43.29 to $50.45 with an estimated average price of $46.22. Right now, you can buy this stock around $40. The impact of this portfolio due to its purchase was 1.35% of the portfolio. So 1.35%, the portfolio of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is roughly $50 billion. It's a pretty sizable investment. While Bill was adding to Coupang, the foundation sold Apple, Twitter, and Amazon. Coupang revealed the total net revenue for the first quarter of 2021 grew 74% year over year to $4.2 billion and 63% on constant currency basis. The number of active customers and total net revenue per active customer grew 21% year over year and 44% year over year respectively. The number of active customers was 16 million, and revenue per active customer was $262 in the first quarter of 2021. With most of its businesses in South Korea, the company has recently started hiring logistics, trade, and pre-procurement talent for the go-to market in Singapore. They're expanding. Some say they're going to expand to China. Some say they're going to expand to Japan. Some say they're going to expand to Singapore. But the infrastructure that they have set up right now is pretty comprehensive. They have 25,000 employees as of now, and they're expected to hire 50,000 staff by 2024. What are your thoughts about Coupang stock? What are your thoughts about what Ray Dalio is saying, which is to invest outside of America? You're hearing Warren Buffett, the man who said never bet against America, seems to be betting against America. So I think they see things in front of us that could be a potential problem in this US economy, and they're looking for alternatives and safer places to invest. Drop your comments below. I'm really curious as to what you guys think about Coupang stock and the overall American economy. And also please smash that like button, consider subscribing here, and I have a secondary channel that offers a ton of really cool insight on buying an airplane, and I think I'm going to be doing some really interesting things to really offset some of the upcoming risk that we're all going to be facing without question. So I'll see you guys over there. YouTube Success Blueprint. If you've enjoyed this video and want to dive deeper into growing your YouTube channel and create passive income as a YouTuber, check out my YouTube Success Blueprint by clicking the link in the description below this video. One of the richest men in the world, Warren Buffett, once said, "Opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out a bucket, not a thimble." I get the feeling that many men and women today are using thimbles instead of buckets. The truth is that we're in a huge wave of opportunity. I'm not suggesting that the current situation hasn't caused any financial damage to people's lives, because it certainly has. You may be one of those who have been fired, transferred, demoted, or had his assets repossessed. When looking up my own channel statistics on Social Blade, you can see that I was able to grow from a mere 11,000 subscribers to 120,000 subscribers in just 15 months. You could do this too, and I want to show you how. My YouTube Success Blueprint is a complete A to Z guide that teaches you the necessary steps in order to get your channel up and running within a few days. YouTube is an explosive avenue where you can earn thousands of dollars based simply on uploading videos and monetizing them for views. Think of a bridge with a toll on it. That is a video that's monetized on YouTube. It also serves as a great channel to capture leads and potential new clients. Personally, I'm receiving roughly $30,000 per month in video views through Google AdSense just by people watching my videos on YouTube with 120,000 subscribers. This number is likely only going to grow as more and more people become accustomed to using YouTube. We have roughly 2.3 billion monthly users on YouTube, and I could see that number hit 3 billion in no time. To learn more about growing your YouTube channel and creating passive income as a YouTuber, register for my YouTube Success Blueprint by clicking the link in the description below this video.